Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. You missed, bro. It's not been 5 minutes, right? Let's go! Oh my. Yo, bro, I got all the netherite, finally.
Yo, let's go. How much did you get?
I got 3.
Oh, that's good.
Where's my base? Where's my base? Oh. Oh my god, what the? Oh, you can eat this without even having any hunger. Oh my god!
Alright, it should literally just be like 200 more blocks. Alright, let's go. I wonder what my base is though, I'm not...
Oh, I hear a ghast. Oh.
Hey, I was invisible! Cool!
I don't feel so good.
Bro, I'm actually so smart. I can use the levitation to get it across. What? Alright, there we go. Let's go!
Bro, look at that stupid creeper, bro. I'm actually gonna kill this creeper, bro. It's so dead, bro.